only
Okay.
one question about chemical elements. For example, bleach. Can we add to water on Shabbos?
Why would you want to do that? Can you explain me?
Maybe the water is not very.
Oh, so impure, right?
Yes. We add a drop of bleach to the water, but this would be making a chemical reaction.
No, it's not the chemical reaction. What is the problem? I have to think about it. I think it should be no problem, because I'm just thinking out loud, right? There is no problem with cooking. There is no problem with making bepatish, like striking the last blow, right? Because like it was it's not like you separate, like we say when we were discussing water filters, if you remember, right? So we say you cannot use the water filter. Why? Because you separated bad from good. Bad meaning like all this impurities, like bacteria, whatever you separate from good, which is the water. So, but here there is no separation. You just add to water this drop of bleach.
And if it is much quantity and it starts to make vapors of I don't know the name of this substance, chlorine, something
Chlorine?
like
I understand.
Yes, vapors, fumes.
So I mean, if
that
it's
would be a abbreviation.
I don't from the top of my head, I don't think of any issues, right? But I'm not sure if it's so healthy to drink such a water with chlorine. I'm not sure. I mean, I know that they put chlorine in the water, like in the water that we have in the tap. So it's sometimes they put too much, it smells. But otherwise, I don't see any issues.